Again, this is a very interesting problem we have from integration, right? So if I talk about the integration part, seems to be a very lengthy expression, so it's going to be very tough for us. But the method what we are going to use here, you have to see the differential of the function, which is going to be this, right? So pi by 6 to pi by 3. So the interesting part is that you need to understand what is the differential of a function which is going to be this. So that means we can just write it down this way. You can just have a look at this part. This is going to be pi by 6 and this is pi by 3 we have, right? And this is going to be d of, we have half 10 to the power 4x sine 4 3x we have, right? This is what we have, you know. Once you differentiate this part, we'll get this one. Got it? So that means what we can do, students, we can just have a look at this part. See, this can be written as, if we integrate this part, this is going to be half 10 to the power 4x sine 4 3x, right? And this is going to be what? The limit is going to be pi by 6 to pi by 3. So once you substitute the values here, yes, this is half. We can just have a look at this part. 10 to the power 4, this is pi by 3 we have, right? And we can substitute the values, sine 4, and this is 3 into pi by 3 minus of, again we have 10 to the power 4, right? And this is coming out to be pi by 6, right? Again, this is sine 4, this is 3 pi by 6 we have, right? So just have a look at this part, we just substitute the values and we get the answer. So this is coming out to be minus 1 by 18, right? So the third option seems to be the correct one. So friends, let's talk about the next one. It's going to be the numerical problem we have. And if the variance of the following frequency distribution has been given to you, that is class 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40, and frequency has been given as 2x and 2. And the variance is 50, then x is equal to what? This is what has been given to us. Now just have a look at this part. See, whenever you have been given the variance part, first of all, you should know actually what is the variance. So if we talk about variance, so variance is what? We have sigma, this is sigma fi xi, right, square divided by sigma fi minus of x bar square. So these are the two things we have here, this part and the mean itself. So when you talk about this part, so first of all, let's draw the the tabular form in this case. So once you draw the tabular form, what we have been given 10 to 20. So this is 10 to 20 we have, right? 20 to 30, isn't it? Then we have 30 to 40, right? And the frequencies are given to you. This is the class interval we have. Then we have xi also. Xi is nothing but 15 we have 25, we have 35, right? And yes, frequency, we have 2, we have x, we have 2 here, got it? And we need xi square also. So if I talk about xi square, what we have xi square is equal to 225, and then we have 625. So we have 1225, got it? Now what is needed? Yes, we are in a need of fi xi square. So basically we are talking about fi xi square, right? So yes, if we multiply this with 2, what we have? We have 450, this is 1. Then we have 25, 625. So you can just have 625x. Then we have fi into xi square, so 1225 we have, that means we are coming out with 2450. So this is what we have. So we need this addition, and also we need sigma fi, right? And also we need this part, because we have to just find fi xi also. That is also very important. So first of all, let's find the mean also. So let's have a look at this part. So maybe we have fi into xi. So if I talk about fi into xi, what we have 30, right? We have 25x, right? And we have 70. So just we can add it up. This is coming out to be how much? We have 25x plus 100, right? Or we can write it as 25 can be taken common. So we have x plus 4, right? So that means x bar is 25 and this is x plus 4, right, which is divided by, we can just write x plus 4. This is sigma fi, so this is coming out to be x plus 4, right? So x plus 4 is cancelled, we are coming out with 225. So what we can do, we can just substitute the variance here. Variance is coming out to be 50, right? We can substitute here 50, okay? And then we have sigma fi xi square, right? So you can see here 450. So this is, we have 2900, because 450 plus 2450 is 2900 plus 625x we have. So you can just write 2900 plus we have 625x, right, divided by sigma fi, that is x plus 4 minus of x bar, that is coming out to be 25 square, right? So we can see 25 square, that is the mean we have. So once we solve it, we get x to be, the calculation part is going to be x is equal to 4, right? So just do this calculation, my dear students, we get x is equal to 4 here, right? So this is what we have. Now let's go to the next one. Now friends, let's talk about question number 22. It is a problem which is based on circles. The question states that the PQB diameter of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9 and alpha and beta are the lengths of the perpendiculars from P and Q on the straight line x plus y is equal to 2 respectively, then the maximum value of alpha beta is what? Now if I talk about a circle, yes, this is going to be a circle we have. So let me take this circle, right? And if I talk about the diameter part, yes, this is the diameter I'm talking about, okay, and the end points of the diameter are P and Q. There is one more line, so we have to check the perpendicular length of the perpendiculars from P and Q on this line, on the straight line x plus y is equal to 2. So it is clearly visible that x plus y is equal to 2 will intersect this circle. So basically the line will be something like this we have here. This is the line we are talking about, right? Now if I talk about the points here, P is going to be what? So let me take the parametric points here, right? So if I talk about the parametric points, x is going to be 3 cos theta, 1 point. Let me take point P as this. Y is equal to 3 sin theta. And let us take Q point where we have x is equal to minus 3 cos theta and we have y is equal to minus 3 sin theta. Can you see that? These are the 2 points we have. Now this is a perpendicular I am talking about. This is the perpendicular I am talking about, right? So P is coming out to be 3 cos theta comma 3 sin theta, right? And this is nothing but we have minus 3 cos theta and this is minus 3 sin theta we have. And what is the line? Line is nothing but we have x plus y, this is minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can find from point P and point Q the perpendicular distance. From P we have this part, this line on this line, and from Q also on this line x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here it has been given alpha. So if it is alpha, that means we are talking about 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. We have minus 2, right? Whole divided by, we have root 2 here. Then we have beta. Beta is coming out to be again minus 3 cos theta minus 3 sin theta. This is minus 2 whole divided by root 2 we have. So if I take product of this, that is alpha into beta, what do we get? We get 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta, right? And this is square minus 2 square, it's coming out to be divided by 2 we have. Correct? Now let us go to the next part here. So if I square it, what we get? We get 9 here, and this is 18 sin theta cos theta, and this is minus 4 whole divided by 2 we have, right? So 9 minus 4 is 5, and this is 9 sin 2 theta we have, got it, divided by 2. So the maximum value of sin 2 theta is 1. So that means we have 5 plus 9, divided by 2, which is coming out to be 7. So the final answer is coming out to be 7 in this case.